Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of PTC ads watching website. So this is a VIP PTC ads watching website. You can earn money by watching ads and run ads on your website and earn money through AdSense. So here's the first page of this website. Now it is asking for login. I've already created an account, so I will log in. If you don't have an account, you can register on the site. So I will just log into my site using the email abc@gmail.com. So I will enter the password. So password is Web Sparrow, and I will just log into my website. So you can see I have logged in successfully to my website. So this is the home page of this website. You can see welcome Web Sparrow 16, available balance in USDTs. USD is $5. So you can also manage commissions. Here you can manage plans, video tasks, and completed tasks, networks, deposit history, withdraw history. You can see everything from this. So I will click on my plan section, and here you can list plans through admin panel. Now there is no plan because website is newly created, so you can list through admin panel. So I will go to home, and let's explore some other. Here are video tasks. You can uh, watch videos and earn money. Selected tasks, my network, deposit. You can see your deposit histories and withdraw history from this section. So I will click on deposit. So I have just created website, so there is no deposit history and withdraw history. And here you can change your password and you can manage WhatsApp groups. So you can also add your WhatsApp link here, and when a user click on it, it will redirect it to your WhatsApp number. So here's the profile. Let's go to my profile section, and you can see everything about my profile. So this is all about my profile section. So I'll go to my home page, and here you can see messages, and you have to just click on it and you can see messages, and you can also log out from this section, from this website. And here when I click on it, it will log me out. So you can see I have logged out through this website. So this is an ad watching website. If you need this script of this website, you can contact me on the number given on screen. I will provide you the script of this website, and don't worry about the price of script. Come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price. Now this website is with admin panel. You can manage everything, you can change everything on your website through admin panel. Now let's open admin panel. So this is the admin panel for this PTC ads watching website. So you can see total user, active users, email unverified, mobile unverified, total deposit, pending deposit, and charges, and many other sections of your website. So here you can manage referral commissions, and you can see the graphs of transactions. So here are some other features. Sorry, there is a logo of High IP because I have just checking update this logo to check that logo is updated successfully. So I've just used random logo of High IP. You can add your own logo here. Here you can manage referral commissions, subscription plans, PTC ads. You can manage all the ads from this section. Here you can manage users, everything about users you can manage from here. Here are the payment gateway option. There are automatic payment gateways and manual payment gateways. So here you can see the automatic payment gateways. You can edit them, and you can use them. So these are all the automatic payment gateways. So there is also the option of manual payment gateways. You can add your payment gateway manually. And here is a deposit option, withdrawals option, and sport ticket report. From general setting, basically you can change the site setting, site logo, and site title. So here is the ads watching is a logo, title of the site. You can change it, you can change the colors, and many other things. So let's go to system configuration. From system configuration, basically you can enable, disable your email or messages services. So here you can control your site from here, everything. So here from logo and favicon, you can change the logo of site, and here's the logo. You can change it through this section. So here are the extension languages. You can manage SEO, ad settings, you can do ad settings from this section here, and I will just click on it, and you can see script ads, image ads, URL ads, YouTube video ads. You can manage them from here. So here are the notification settings. You can manage all notifications from this section, manage template of the site, manage different pages that are on your site, and these are all the pages on my site. I can edit them, delete them, and add new pages from here. So here are some other options like manage different sections. I can manage all these sections, about all those sections that are on my website. I can manage them. Here is maintenance mode, GDPR cookie, and system settings. So this is the quick overview of the website. Now if you need this PHP script of this website, contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you the script. So thanks for watching this video.